Hello, everyone. This is a mandated briefing for all new users of NotebookLM, designed to help you navigate its powerful features while mitigating some pretty significant operational risks. Okay, let's just dive right into this because we all share this goal, right? A single intelligent tool for all our research and synthesis. And NotebookLM, it really appears to be that tool. It feels like the solution we've all been waiting for. So first, let's just acknowledge what makes this tool so compelling. We have to understand why it feels like the beginning of something truly transformative before we can get into the serious problems. Its core strength is that it's source-grounded. What that means is its analysis is built only from the material you provide it. No more random, made-up stuff from the wider internet. It's all your data, all the time. And now, what's really interesting here is the audio overview feature. It can literally convert your dense research into a commute-friendly, synthesized dialogue. It sounds a little wild, I know, but just think about that. But here's the kicker. All that amazing synthesis is kind of negated if the output can't be exported or acted upon systematically. And this is where the briefing becomes necessary, because of these critical gaps that start with a really fundamental failure: data portability. Your insights get trapped. Let's be perfectly clear about this. Your synthesized findings, your organized arguments, they cannot be packaged into a single portable document. You can't just get your work out of the system. And this brilliantly illustrates the problem, doesn't it? NotebookLM is a walled garden. Your insights are locked in, forcing workflows that are a huge step backward. I'm talking about things like having to screenshot chat threads. It's just not workable. So let's move on and see how this one issue builds into even deeper problems. Things like knowledge fragmentation and data blindness. To really understand the next risk, you have to grasp this core concept of how the tool is structured. Think of every notebook, every project you create, as its own sealed chamber. And here's the thing, they can't talk to each other. There is zero cross-referencing, no unified knowledge graph, and absolutely no surfacing of connections between your projects. It's a huge missed opportunity. So the crucial point is that, unlike tools that build on your knowledge over time, NotebookLM forces you to manually recreate the context every single time. It's essentially Amnesiac by design. The system also has this massive blind spot for visual information. It completely disregards charts, diagrams, and images that are embedded in your source documents, which means your synthesis will be incomplete if visual evidence is key to your work. And furthermore, for any kind of formal academic or professional work, its citations are just, they're insufficient. They lack the page and paragraph references that you absolutely need for a proper bibliography. Now, all these issues, they culminate in the final major risk, the rapid decay of your own knowledge over time. It basically turns from a research tool into a storage locker. Because think about it, once you pass, say, the 5 notebook threshold, the lack of a global search function makes rediscovering your past insights nearly impossible. And this is just a stark contrast to modern tools that are actively designed to help you rediscover and connect your prior work. NotebookLM just doesn't do that. As one user so aptly put it, without these active rediscovery features, the tool really just degrades into a simple storage container with a chat interface. That's all it is. Okay, so given these critical risks, your use of NotebookLM from here on out is contingent on adopting the following 3-step protocol, and you need to do this immediately. First, all of your action items must be captured in an external to-do list. Second, all high-value synthesized insights have to be manually archived somewhere else. And third, you must maintain a separate searchable index of your notebook projects and their core contents. So why is this protocol non-negotiable? Because without it, NotebookLM completely fails as a sustainable research platform. It promises this amazing unified workflow, but until these foundational gaps are addressed, it just adds another fragment to your already fragmented process. This concludes your briefing.